What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Restless Minds. My name is Daryl. I know you've been hearing all about the buzz about Meta Llama 3 from all the AI YouTube influencers out there. They're all about how this open source large language model is going to change the AI game. But here's the thing. In this video, we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to install Llama 3 using the special operating computer with Ollama. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is that? Well, let me tell you. It's like having a secret weapon on your OS. Instead, I'm going to have the AI install it for me. We're going to take Llama to the next level by having a personal assistant, just like OpenDevin, to install it. But before we go deep into that, let's talk about why Ollama is such a big deal. This bad boy is going to be available on all major platforms, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft, Azure, you name it, it's going to be implemented in all platforms. It's like having a genius sidekick ready to help you crush any project you're working on. So the best part about it is Meta is all about that responsible AI life. They're giving us access to resources like Llama Guard 2, Code Shield, and CyberSec Eval 2. And now it's like having a team of AI security experts watching your back while using this powerful tech. But enough about that. Let's get to the juicy stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Llama 3 with the Ollama using the special operating computer. Let's dive right in. So for those of you new to this channel, I talk about how to install AI agents using Visual Studio Code and anything that is regarding AI. I'm trying to help influence and push AI news to everybody out there who's interested. So I have on my screen Visual Studio Code, and I have installed the special operating computer. Now, I'm giving it specific instructions, more like only 4 steps to install Llama 3 onto my OS. Now, those 4 steps are going to be, number 1, open Google Chrome, then go to the link ollama.com/library/llama3. Step 2 is copy the code Ollama run Llama 3. Step 3, open the path to the command execution to open up the command prompt and run as an admin. Then paste the code Ollama run Llama 3 in the command line. So it took me about 4 attempts to finally accomplish this. Now, with these 4 steps, it was originally 6 steps. So I reduced it down to 4 to where the AI agent was able to learn from it using those 4 attempts, making it a successful install. And we'll definitely go through the actual installation after this. So with the Visual Studio Code, I have the special operating computer installed, like I said, on my OS. And what we're going to do to start the SOC is we're going to type in operate space M space GPT -4 -with -OCR. Now, what that's going to do is going to open up the SOC. And we're going to see a green screen pop up just shortly. And there you go. So we're going to press OK. And now what we're going to do is going to paste these 4 steps onto the command line or the terminal. And we're going to paste it as one line. And then we're going to press enter. Now what it's going to do, it's going to control my OS, also control my mouse and my keyboard, and it's going to follow those 4 instructions. And it's actually working right now. So as you can see, folks, I'm not typing. Now during this step, the AI agent SOC copies the entire page, which will see what happens once it pasted the content into the command prompt. So this has taken quite some time, so I'm just waiting for the SOC to learn. So right now, it's actually thinking what's the next step or the best method to open up command prompt. So in the next follow-on video, which I am probably going to post a follow-on video to this, and there it goes, it's opening up command prompt. And there's my command prompt. So what it's going to do, I'm assuming it's going to paste in the entire web page. Which as you see on the back end with the VS Code is actually thinking. So it did pasted the entire content, but it actually is installing. It's pulling from Ollama, which I have Ollama installed onto my OS. So now it's installing Llama 3. So again, folks, I'm not using my computer or my mouse or my keyboard. It's actually doing it for me. Now, I'm curious to see on my next attempt if I were to delete the installed files and have it trained to only paste or copy that code or Llama run Llama 3, will it copy the entire web page in the next attempt? So it's about 47% complete. It's halfway there, about 52. about 72%. And it's almost done. %. Now it's pulling the rest of the Ollama files or logs. Now it's verifying. So altogether, it's about 4.7 gigabyte of a space that will be taken up on your OS. So it actually did install it, so, as you can see there on the command prompt. Now I'm curious to see if it will actually go full through and ask me the send a message we usually see using Ollama. Okay, so what I'm thinking is doing here, it's probably analyze the entire web page that it actually copied, and whatever that did not get pasted into the command prompt, it's probably giving the response from the remaining content that it actually copied from that web page. So right now it's responding. It seems that the conversation just ended, and I'm getting a notification that it was updated 4 hours ago. Would you like to start fresh and have another conversation? No, chat. Okay, so it's actually reading and assessing the information that's up above. So it looks like it's actually trying to unpack and provide a response from copying and pasting the web content. So I'm just going to pause it here. Okay, still doing the same thing. It's not going to give me the send a message for me to type in my question. So we'll pause there. We'll go back to the Ollama browser. So let me know what you think about using AI to install software just like this, especially with using Ollama, with Ollama on your OS. Lessons learned: if it didn't copy the entire page, it probably wouldn't give me the ending response, and it would probably stop and ask me if I have any questions. Usually the send message description will pop up, but I'm curious to see if it'll actually copy this command code and paste it onto the command prompt in my next attempt. Like I said, thank you again for watching. It was great, and this may be the future of installing software using AI, and I'm really happy it actually went success. So let me know what your thoughts about this. Leave a comment below, and thank you again for watching. Thank you again for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.